Yeah. A finger make the peace signs. Matter of fact, I throw it up and make them smoke sign. Blowing nose, I fuck them hoes. I got a rich bitch. Give her semen while she swimming in. Give her the alcohol, fill it up again. I'm blowing O's in the Oscars. These bitches think I'm popular. Bitches need binoculars. Drinking Syrah while I rap. I'm in my J's. And these bougie ass hoes got too much pace. So I turn the page on these old ass hoes. You niggas think your bitch be looking like Amber Rose, but they still bad. And now I got a bitch you wish you thought you had. When I grow up, all I wanna do is drive a drag. Classes in session, so you niggas stop guessing. Maybe you could touch reality without fucking wishing. Fresh observation while speaking. I take your clothes off, now take notes, I'm the teacher. Bitches ride or die for them niggas, and niggas for the bitches. But still bitches be running round, they acting clueless. I swear I be on the ball, playing football at us all. Making papers for my girl. My what? My girl, yeah, she knows she matters in the world. Buying handbags and pearls, fuck it, I'ma buy her gold. My shorty said she miss me, sometimes she wanna kiss me. Being the only nigga in her life, she never diss me. She thinks she going crazy, she miss her baby. So I put out my new trends, buy her the new Benz. My ex say that she don't do friends, so I pick the bitch out and make her find new friends. Yeah, I'm a trail nigga, still rock these hill figures. Still you figure I'm too small to clock these big figures. And you fake niggas always try to hate, so I keep my swag rockin', clockin' in my J's. But I fuck fame, and I fuck your girl. Now she rapping Mary Slow, high in both worlds. And she give me head, but I give her pearls. That gold digging bitch, nigga, that's how life goes. I see that fucking ass in the party. She got me throwing stacks, niggas pop that Molly. T and me, killers chillin' in the back. Fell out with the snitches while I hold my T and me, nigga.
Yeah. On that new shit, smoking that good shit, making that money like a rampage on the fast lane. Life's so good, I'm not out the hood to get things good and put it straight to these niggas. I ain't playing, it's DME. We about the world greatest like Christopher Wallace. Yeah, once a young boy, now I'm a grown man. Now look at me, I got my whole future fucking plan. Didn't even had a mama that is stable in my life's plan. So I head into the streets, hustle on my own to bring that guap home. My brain's twisted, yet still I'm the newborn, also gifted. R.I.P. to my granny, she had my back high, but now she's dead. She's the angel in the sky. I'm the hardest youth, niggas can't clown me. Bitches can't dump me. Granny niggas hate me. Thought I had friends, but they hate me. Hypocrite smile, hypocrite laughs. I born alone, I die alone. TME.
Tell your bitch, suck a rich nigga dick was on the block when the Instagram that shit. We was chillin', smoking some weed. Cops were coming, we heard the siren. But that life didn't just appear. Growing up, we were always so violent. Wrong here when your niggas shoot, they aim for egg. My niggas shoot, they aim for heads. Black or white, whoever you may choose. Drill minds gonna take over your brain, make you think you got the flu. Who you? Shit, nigga, you just stepped on my shoe. We was rockin' them old schools, hard what to do. I take you back to 1962 when everybody wanna be a baller, a shot caller. Yeah, your pussy ass daddy too came true with that vintage swag. Bitch, up frontin' your mama can't pay for that. That Bob Marley T and them Jason man. Heard your nigga say, yo, Minnie's back. Pop down, drop down, and y'all gimme that. 100 stack on that nigga. We back on that nigga. Click, clack, bang on that nigga. Peace.
Now you know what's good. Trill Minds Entertainment. We finna take over.